Allmatic Jacob offers you the possibility of positive locking clamping for irregularly shaped workpieces. Our Titan model enables both conventional frictional clamping and also grip or positive locking clamping. To prepare your clamping using CAD, please see the CAD data available on our website. Our optional support jaws provide the basis for positive locking clamping. The shape of the workpiece determines the positioning of each gripper mount on the support jaws. Any relief areas and height differences on the workpiece are offset by the flexible design of the universal gripper. The pivot function offsets any gradations in the clamping direction. The CAD prepared clamping can now be set up on the machine. The support jaws are mounted on the base. The universal grippers are screwed firmly onto the support jaws in the predetermined positions. The workpiece can now be positioned on the vise using the prepared supports. Now apply the correct clamping force using an adjustable torque wrench. The integrated mechanical power intensifier allows the gripper inserts to enter the workpiece easily and safely. The form closure enables absolute clamping safety. The workpiece is now safely clamped and can be machined. Visible impressions are proof of the tremendous holding force of the gripper inserts. The universal gripper set supports a wide range of clamping options. The universal gripper set comprises gripper inserts, mounting units, and a number of components for adjusting mount and gripper heights. Several workpiece criteria must be taken into account when determining the suitable clamping points. Workpieces should not be clamped in the vicinity of any mould joints. Should be a minimum of approximately 4 mm away from the edge of the workpiece or mould casting radii. To optimize load transmission, clamping points located opposite one another should be placed at the same height wherever possible. Similarly, any adjacent clamping points in one jaw should be placed at the same clamping height. Once you have found suitable clamping points, these should be marked on the workpiece. The fixing position on the universal grippers on the jaws can now be defined, and the gripper mounts secured in place. In order to position the workpiece horizontally, supports are used to adjust the height gradation of the workpiece. The case contains a number of adjusting screws and threaded pins designed especially for this purpose. The workpiece can now be placed on the supports, which facilitates determination of the gripping height. Use the spacer rings supplied in the case, or even the gripper insert itself, to set the correct height of the gripper insert. Once the workpiece is aligned with the machine axis, the clamping force can be engaged. You can now perform milling work without restrictions. For larger production batches and for faster repeat setups, we recommend cutting the support pieces and gripper mounts supplied in the case to the correct height. The support jaws and universal gripper set can also be used for the vertical implementation of the Titan gripper in a horizontal center. However, as shown in the following example, adjustments need to be made for workpieces with a relief on the side in contact with the fixed jaw. In this case, workpieces require Cartesian alignment with the fixed jaws clamping points. This is only possible using a special component which replaces the universal gripper. This special component enables precise Cartesian alignment of the clamped workpiece. On the opposite side of the workpiece, the pivot function of the moving jaw offsets the relief areas of the workpiece. No special tools are required. Relatively small blanks, which require 5-side machining, are always a problem to clamp. They also tend to require small and short tools, which further hinders access to the workpiece. The T-Rex model, which, in connection with special clamping jaws, is available from Allmatic, is ideal for these types of clamping tasks. These jaws are two-part. Profiles are welded onto fixed and mobile flat support jaws, which form the basis. This raises the level of the workpiece, making it easily accessible for all tools. Whatever your clamping requirements, we have the solution. We're waiting for your call.